Hi guys, Rick from Newcastle Vehicle Exchange here. An absolutely beautiful little commercial has just come in. This is a 2019 model Toyota Hilux Workmate. So it's an automatic 2.7 litre petrol, 4x2 obviously, cab chassis. It's in beautiful condition. It's only travelled 73,000 kilometres and it's got a perfect logbook service history. Excellent tray. It's also fitted with a tow bar. It hasn't got electric brakes, but if you do add electric brakes, it will tow up to 2.5 tonne. So pretty awesome for a small little automatic petrol Hilux. So buying a Hilux, of course, you get the best reliability resale as well, and really good fuel economy. Just a beautiful little truck, I can't fault it. As we go inside, it has 2 keys, full power options, seats are in excellent condition. As I climb in, you can see here it has cruise control. I'll just zoom out a bit. A really nice steering wheel, no wear and tear, Bluetooth. Really nice sound system here. Has not got a reverse camera, I thought it did. Cup holders. But again, the interior, just a really well looked after. Price range, automatic. So 2019, 73,000 kilometres. We are Newcastle Vehicle Exchange, 264 Turton Road, New Lambton, and next door to McDonald Jones Stadium. All of our vehicles come with 5 years warranty. And please check out our reviews, guys. We're a family-owned business for 20 years here in the same location here in Newcastle. Our reviews are phenomenal. We sell top quality cars and we look after all of our customers. But that is a beautiful example. If you're just looking for a runaround automatic ute, you can't go past Toyota Hiluxes. Thanks for watching, guys. Just an amateur video to get you on it. Come on down and have a look in person, or you can buy over the phone or on the internet. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.